Hello, students. Welcome back to the class of English and myself, Aisha. Today I am going to continue the chapter A Lesson for Nakul, written by Neela Subramanya. I think you may have seen Neela Subramanya. This is the lady about whom we are speaking. So, she has taken a number of awards. She was a very good storyteller, and in this way, a slight description about the lady, it is Neela Subramanya. And here she has written a lesson for Nakul, what you are observing here. This is a lesson for Nakul. And in this lesson, we are coming across three main characters. That is, what do you mean? Three main characters are there. Name of the students here are Akash, Tarun as well as Nakul. So this is Nakul. This is Nakul. This is Tarun, and here another one boy is there whose name is Akash. And here this is a boarding school. This is a boarding school. And these are the things, main aspects about a lesson for Nakul. So I already explained to you how the three friends are discussing over the matter. It was a day when they were facing a test, and Akash was a new boy for the school, and Tarun was the monitor of the class, and Nakul, we come across Nakul here, whose favorite subject was mathematics. But unexpectedly, it so happens that after facing the mathematics examination, Nakul comes out, his face was depressed, and Akash, though he was a new boy, he helps him very neatly. He also observes that Nakul was awake during the night time. He shows his problems, and here Akash tries to solve. Though he is a new child for the school, he tries to solve the problems. And in this lesson, we come across a mathematics teacher whose name was Mr. Varghese. So here, this Akash as well as Nakul, right at 9:30 in the night, they arrives at the room of mathematics teacher, that is Mr. Varghese, and Nakul was in a confusing manner whether he has written his name, roll number or not. The teacher, mathematics teacher, observes and says that everything has going on correct to the point. So in this way, the teacher observes the children leaving his room. So now let us go for the 19th paragraph of the chapter, where it is stated 19, 20, 21, 22. I am going to read that, and I shall explain you. Later we will go for the 23rd paragraph. Soon the exams were behind them, and the next event the boys looked forward to was the school's annual day. As Nakul was tall and well built for his age, the master chose him to play an important role in a drama. Help! I have got to learn so many lines, Nakul groaned. I will help you to practice till you are word perfect, Akash grinned. Nakul was glad for his generous offer, and with Akash's constant rehearsals, soon learned his lines. Now the children completed their examination, and annual day, now they have to face, they were looking forward annual day. Every year we too are celebrating in our school the annual function. In the same way, These students, Akash, Tarun, Nakul, they are observing annual day in their boarding school, and they have to make preparation for this. Because Nakul was a very tall boy and well built for his age, as he was well built for his age, the master chose him to play an important role in a drama. He was selected for the drama, and in that drama, a very important play was given for him to role. And now, when they were arriving to their rooms, Nakul groaned that he has to learn many lines and show a very good part in the drama. Akash was a very helpful boy. Though he was a new boy, he was very helpful. Every time, every second, he was ready to help for the others. Because he has become a very good friend of Nakul, he says that I will help you to practice till your word perfect. I will make you help. I will help you until you become every word. You will get perfectness. Until then, I am going to help you. By listening these words, Nakul was overjoyed, and by the help of Akash's constant rehearsals, rehearsal means repeating again and again, Nakul learned all the lines of the drama what he has to part very neatly. Coming to the 23rd paragraph, now it is said that I hope I won't forget the words. Nakul looked tense before the curtains went up. That is, he is saying that I think I am so perfect that Nakul is saying I am so perfect in the lines that I won't forget even one word. Saying all these things, he went to part in the drama. Don't worry, the words will come to you easily, Akash encouraged. See, he was a very brave boy. He was encouraging Nakul. Now he is saying that you should not be worried. You should not take tension. You should not confuse, because when you go and stand to part for the drama on the stage, words will come you very easily. In this way, Akash was encouraging for Nakul. To his surprise, Nakul found that he actually enjoyed his role. See, the encouragement what Nakul got from Akash, it helped him so much that Nakul found very easy to play during the time when the drama was going on. And Nakul actually, in the real sense, he enjoyed the role what was given in the drama. Thanks, Akash, you are a real gem, he said warmly. Because, however, whatever this Akash was saying, by boldness, by encouragement, everything was going on very neatly. So, now Nakul is calling him as a gem here, real gem, he is saying. You are a real gem. Mean to say that you are a very helpful. No doubt you are very precious. In this way he is praising for Akash here. Before you are a real gem, another two types of words had come. That is quite a tussle, and also you are a word perfect. These are idioms. These are known as idioms. The meaning of these idioms are quite a tussle here means very difficult. And you are a word perfect here mean acquire thorough knowledge. Thorough means perfect knowledge about certain subject. Word perfect. He says, see, you are going to part the role. How? You are what he says, I won't, when he says that I hope I won't forget the words. At that time Nakul looked tense before the curtains went up. When all these things were coming, at that time the boy told him that you will act very perfectly. That is, you are a word perfect, he says. That is, you have acquired thorough knowledge. You are perfect in the point. You won't forget anything. In this way, he encourages Nakul here. That is, Akash encourages Nakul. And now, Nakul is saying for Akash, that you are a real gem. That is, you are very helpful for me. You are helping me a lot. So he calls him as a gem. I am glad I could help you, Akash replied. See what the boy is saying? I am glad, I will be happy that I could help you. I can help you, no? That's all. I am very happy for helping others, Akash replied. The next day, the students were taken to a picnic spot. These two boys became good friends because they were living in a boarding school. Their beds were side by side. And about Akash, he was very helpful in nature. He want to help the people to the last extent. He want to help the people to the last extent. He was very interested in providing help for the people. Whenever he was helping for others, he was feeling a type of satisfaction in himself. So, what happened? In this way, the days were passing on in the school. Then, what's a lesson is there for Nakul? A question arises in the mind automatically. Because here Akash, though he was a new boy for the school and Tarun is the monitor of the class, Nakul was the friend of Akash. What is happening? How more than Tarun, Akash is very close to Nakul. And why Akash is having such a good feeling? What makes him to do good things? We will come to know further here. See, again one day what happens? See, now examination completed. In the examination, Nakul was very much depressed. In the beginning, we come to know that Nakul, after facing the mathematics examination, which was its favorite subject, was very much depressed because what he had done, he did not gain much time. He lost time in answering difficult questions. During that time, Akash helped him, encouraged him by telling him how he must have to face the next examination. Later, after the examination, when they were observing annual day, in front of them, that is forward, annual schools day was there, annual function was there. At that time also, Akash helped Nakul in playing the role in the drama very neatly, perfectly. And for this purpose, Nakul calls Akash as a real gem. And now one day it so happened that in this way days were passing on, and one day it so happened that the children were taken to a picnic spot. I am glad I could help you, Akash replied. The next day the students were taken to a picnic spot. Now all the children who were living in the boarding school, they were taken to a spot which was a picnic spot. As usually it so happens in the schools. During the month of especially November and December, children are taken for the picnic spots, for tours, for picnics. In the same way here also, children are taken for the picnic spot. It's sure to rain, Nakul grumbled gloomingly. What was Nakul saying? Because he observed the sky. He found the clouds, maybe that he may have found the clouds. And so he is saying that it's going to rain. We have come here to enjoy the picnic spot, but I think it is going to rain. For this, Akash answers, no, it won't. The sun will come out soon and the day will be fine, Akash declared and looked at Nakul. See, what a brave boy he is. How much confidence he is having in himself. What confidence is there in this child? See, what is he saying? Nakul, no, in a very sad mood, he is saying that it is sure to rain. It is going to rain. Yes, rain is going to come. And now we are in the picnic spot. Everything is wasted. He is having some negative thoughts in his mind. For this, Akash declares, what he declares? It won't. No, it won't rain, he is saying. The sun will come out soon and the day will be fine. Let's enjoy. By saying like this, Akash, by declaring in this way, is looking for Nakul. Why do you always look at the dark side of things? He said. Don't be a wet blanket all the time. See what Nakul is saying. Akash declares that the sun will come out soon and the day will be fine. He declares in this way. Akash declares in this way and he looks at Nakul. Why do you always look at the dark side of the things? Why do you look at the dark side of things? The meaning of dark side of things means always having negative thinking. Always having negative thinkings. Now Akash is asking for Nakul. Why you are always having negative feelings in your mind? Don't be a wet blanket all the time. Don't be a wet blanket all the time. What you are doing? You are wet blanket. Wet blanket means only negative thoughts are there in your mind. Don't think always the negative side of your life. Nakul felt annoyed and walked away to join the other boys. When Akash explains him in this way, Nakul felt annoyed and what he did? He walked outside and joined other boys. He refused to admit that Akash's judgment was correct because he is also a child, he is also a small boy. He refused to admit that he thought that every time Akash's judgment may not be correct. As usual, every time it may not happen, sometimes it may happen. No, today it's going to rain. And here, what Akash is saying? It is not going to rain. The sun will come out soon and the day will be fine. Whereas Nakul is on the way that it's going to rain. And Akash won't be correct in every judgment, every time. How can he become a correct person? The day did turn out to be fine. But ultimately what happened? The day became fine. Once again, Akash's judgment was correct. In spite of this, Nakul found himself unable to enjoy the outing. Nakul did not enjoy with the friends. He did not go for the outing. Was it because of his tiff with Akash that he found himself unable to enjoy the outing? Thought Nakul, who was hidden behind some rocks as he overheard his master talking. He was hidden by the side of the rock, he was playing, and suddenly he hears some of the teachers speaking. I admire that plucky little fellow, Akash. He's so cheerful despite his lame leg, said Mr. Virgese. See what Virgese is saying? That boy, Akash, he is a lame boy. He is lame leg. Despite his lame leg, he is a very plucky little fellow. Lame leg here means unable to walk properly. His leg had some difficulty, maybe by birth or by some incident or by some accident. So he was having a problem in his leg, and so the leg was called here as lame leg. The mathematics teacher, Mr. Virgese, was chatting with one of his colleague and was explaining that besides his lame leg, see how is this boy Akash, though he is lame, though he is having a lame leg, despite this he is always cheerful, and because of this I always admire that plucky little fellow. See, he is having disability in himself, but too He is not ready to show the disability. He, despite that, despite his lame leg, he was having confidence upon himself. He was strong enough. He was bold. He was always thinking in the positive manner, positive way. What makes him think so? Let us see in the next class. Until then, have a good day.